Right, let's move on with our data handling. Remember that we were just doing the 5-number summary. It is exactly the same summary that will help us into doing the box and whisker diagram. It's important that we must understand it more because it also comes out in our examinations, the box and whisker. It's not whiskey, but whisker. Whisker, it's like the whiskers of a cat. It comes from that one, the whiskers of a cat. Look here, if we have our box like this is our box, and these will be our whiskers. Hence, we refer to this as a box and whisker diagram. Now, we can also use it to interpret our 5-number summary, where the value here will be the smallest. And the value there must be our biggest. The biggest value there. So these two are catered in that way. The one that will be here, we might call it Q2. The one that is here, it is called Q1. The one that is there, it will be called Q3. At times, the value that we find, we're going to put them on our number line there. Q1 is at times called the 25th percentile. The 25th percentile, so the 25% of it. Q2 is the 50th percentile, the middle one, the one at the center. Then Q3 is sometimes called the 75th percentile, or the upper quartile. This one is called the lower quartile. That one is called the upper quartile, the 75th percentile. Q1 is called the 25th percentile, and Q2 is called the 50th percentile. That is what we call the box and whisker diagram. For me to be able to sketch the box and whisker diagram, I must have all these values there. Remember, I must have my 5-number summary. I must know the smallest. I must know the biggest. I must know the position of the Q1. This gives you the position, and go and put it on my box and whisker. Remember, there is a number line that I will be having this side. This number line will be catering for all those values. If this value here is 5, maybe my 5 will be here. If this value here, my Q1, if the value here is maybe, let me just give it any value. Let me give it 30, and so on and so forth. Then this diagram I'll be getting it through those number lines that I'll be getting. We'll see this as we do more exam questions. Thank you.